Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to the garden. Today we're going to be taking a look at what's in bloom, and we have these beautiful PROCUT Brilliance sunflowers. These are another member of the pollenless PROCUT series for cut flower sunflowers rather. And these are just that really rich, creamy, just butter yellow with the dark centers. You know, just traditional, beautiful sunflower that I really, really love. If you're unfamiliar, the PROCUT series is specifically a kind of range of sunflowers that have been developed for cut flower growing for farmer florists and to use in bouquets. They are a pollenless sunflower, and all that means is that when they grow, they're not going to develop that yellow kind of powdery pollen that you see on most sunflowers and on open pollinated varieties of sunflowers. Since there is no pollen, this means that these flowers do not produce seeds. I could go into why this is and how they make the seeds and everything, but let's just keep it short. So as the flower ages, that seed head won't begin to form. There won't be any pollen that can, fall on your tablecloth when you have them in a cut flower arrangements. The benefits to having pollenless sunflowers or cut flowers really are numerous. It's really great. And just because these do not have pollen, it doesn't mean that they aren't also beneficial to bees and other pollinators. These sunflowers are still very rich in nectar. I've grown a lot of pollenless sunflowers over the years, and definitely the bees love these things. They can't get enough of them. Which members of the PROCUT series of sunflowers are day neutral, and that just means that they will bloom regardless of how long or how short the day lengths are. So they aren't dependent on that as some other open pollinated types will. They're also very uniform when it comes to blooming. That's really about it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful. As always, you can leave any questions or comments that you have down below. I'm always trying to answer those. Usually I get to them in about a week, sometimes longer depending upon how busy I am with work and the channel and everything. Be sure to tell your friends, hit the little bell icon, all that good stuff. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys.